Hello, Sudoku friends. Hello. Welcome back with the sixth puzzle in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 15th, 2020. Yes, the sixth one is a Tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru. This one has 1 star. Later on, we have a 3 stars, but we will solve this one first, and this will be number 1, 5, a 3, a 5. So let's get started. And can we see here a single box? Do we have a single box anyway? I cannot find a single box. Dual box, here dual box already filled in. No, triple box, here a triple box. 1, 2 or 3 I can fill. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them, 1 and the 2. So we have a 3 here. That means those 3 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have a 1 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be there. The 5 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. The other 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5. This should be the 5 and this should be the 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me see. 3 boxes left in this area. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. Then 2. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. That means I have marked those 2 boxes with a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. The 4 could be here or could be there. That means I cannot place a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Yeah. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Let me see. This box cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 1 or 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 digit left should be the 5. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 are reserved for the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now, this box can be a 5. So the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 2, 3. This box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. 1 box left for the 1. 2 boxes left. Now the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2. This one or that one. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2, 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. The 1 and the 5 are left. 1 and the 5. Let me mark them. 1 and the 5. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. So this should be a 5. We have a 5 now. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be a 5. The 3 and the 1 are left. 3 and the 1. Let me mark them. 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1. That means this box cannot be a 3 or a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5 here. Yeah. Let me think now. This box, 1, 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 should be there. 1, 3, 2. 1, 1. Let me finish this. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. 2 boxes left here and there. We have a 4 here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it must be a 5, and this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 5, so 2 boxes left for the 5. Here or there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. This box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, this should be a 4. So we have 3, 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Let me think. 3. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So we have the 1 and the 3 left. 1 and the 3. But this box cannot be a 3, because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it is a 1, and this should be a 3. That means these 2 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. And the 1 goes here. We have a 1 here. Those two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. The 3 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now this one. Alright, the 1 and the 3. So this box cannot be a... This box cannot be a 2. 2 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. That means 1 box left for the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. We have a 2 now, so those two boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 5 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.